talk to us about this amazing discovery.
Well, what these scientists say they've done is invent something they call a neural sewing machine. So what that means is a needle which can go inside your brain and rapid fire, just like a sewing machine needle, implant lots of electrodes deep into your brain, one every few seconds. They've done this on rats so far. Doing it on humans is a long way off, but still it's exciting.
Who are these scientists? Because we just said that they were in some way associated with Neuralink.
Right. So when he started Neuralink, Elon Musk hired away a lot of top neuroscientists from various universities. So a couple of them worked directly for him and were hired from places like the University of California, San Francisco, and then others perhaps worked in the labs of those professors. It's a small community and they all work together in some way.
The sort of picture of a sewing machine is a strong one when they talk about the brain. What exactly is the process that they claim this piece of academic writing suggests that is accomplishable?
Right. So what they did is kind of incredible. They did little tiny craniotomies, in other words, brain surgery on these rats. And so they obviously put the rats under so that they couldn't feel any pain, but then made these incisions in their skulls, put the electrodes in their brains, attached little tiny circuit boards to the back of their heads, and then every time the neurons near those electrodes fired, those pulses were recorded. So they have a very good picture of what's going on the individual neuron level with those rats.
I mean, to be honest, it sounds like something out of Silence of the Lambs to a certain extent. So, like, what's the positive element here? What does it do that we couldn't do before?
Right. So the idea is if we know exactly how neurons work in the brain, this will be able to help us with brain-related illnesses like dementia and Parkinson's disease. And then long-term, it might be able to help humans merge with computers, which sounds like a very scary technology, but Elon Musk argues we're already almost there, that our smartphones are already part of ourselves, and why not take it a step further?
This sort of cyborg theory that he holds.
Right. So he says that computers are getting so smart, we have three choices, one of them good and the other two not so good. So the good choice is to create a symbiosis with artificial intelligence, and the less good choice is will either become irrelevant, or third choice will just be destroyed by artificial intelligence. He was actually tweeting about this yesterday, and in the past has said we run the risk of becoming like house cats or worse. So Neuralink is his way of trying to fight this.